How to reset brake fluid warning light on BMW 3 Series F30 F31 F34 in 5 easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 1. Turn the ignition on pressing on the start-stop engine button once. Make sure that the foot is not on the brake or clutch. You don't want to start the engine, then wait until all the warning lights are off. 2. Press on the left button from the instrument cluster and keep pressing until you enter the service menu. You'll see the Reset Possible message appear on display. 3. Let go of the button and then press again to see the brake fluid icon and Reset Possible message. 4. Press again on the button and keep pressing until you see the message Perform Reset. Then press on the button and keep pressing until you see the Reset Successful message. This is a simulation and we did not reset the front brake pads because it has been already done. 5. Turn the ignition off. To check if the brake fluid reset was done correctly, turn the ignition on and then check if the brake fluid warning light is still on. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.